on the tracks.
Welcome back to the journey, guys. Always remember, the journey is more important than the destination. All right, we got a Saturn view, and I could repair this door and it take me 3 or 4 days, or I could go and get one from the salvage yard and paint it. Now, doing it this way saves a whole lot of time and a lot of money if you can find one, the right one. There's a few parts that I'm gonna have to take off this old door and put on the salvage part door. This trim here I'm gonna have to take off because the trim on the salvage door is painted the same color as the door. I also have to take off this inner panel. The inner panel on the other one was a different kind, and I have to take this door handle off. The door handle on this one is chrome, so yeah.
Eagles can live up to 70 years because they are mentally strong. After 40 years, every eagle has to make a difficult decision. Its claws are no longer sharp enough to hunt. Its beak becomes bent and blunt, and its feathers become thick. The eagle has two options. Either it dies, or it goes through a painful change. This painful change is that the eagle must go to the mountain and crush its beak on a rock until it falls out. When the old beak falls out, a new beak grows in. With the new beak, the eagle rips out its claws, and new ones grow in. Then the eagle plucks out its feathers, and new ones grow in. This painful journey lasts 150 days, but after doing this, the eagle gets a new life. Sometimes we need to get rid of our old self in order for a new and better version to emerge.